Here is an update for Let's Get Loose. So we have like loose powders. All right, let's get started. Turn around so I can weigh. First of all, I'm loving this. I'm just doing 3 products at a time. Everything will be down below. The Ciate London is almost done. It's looking like this. Very nice. Just setting powder under the eyes. Once it's done, then I'm just going to use like white eyeshadow underneath my eyes. I think it tends to work better and brightens up my dark circles. But I feel like no reason to repurchase this. So this is almost gone. So I'm going to roll in a different product because it's almost gone. I'm going to keep working at it until it's gone. Next is the Bare Minerals Mineral Veil. This is working really good for like my face. So it's weighing at 31. Let's see if I can find. Let's see. So that was at 31, and what did I say? It was 31. So same. Okay. So it's still at the same. I just need a little bit on this. I don't need too much. So that's gonna be a while, which is good because I'm definitely repurchasing that one. Once I get all my powders down. That's what I feel like I'm gonna repurchase. The Artist Couture, I just franken this into my lotions. It's a very, very pretty, sparkly highlighter. I just like to franken this into my lotions and be sparkly, but I pretty much put it on at night after my showers. So this is weighing at 28 grams, and this was 28 grams. Where are you? This is Artist Couture Purple Dream. So weighed 29 and it is 29. Okay, the same. And this is weighing at, for the Ciate London powder, it was 41 and now it is 34. And now again, I'm going to roll in this eyeshadow. It is the Mitch and Mia beige. So I'm going to roll that in again and see if I'll get more usage on it. And that is weighing at 12. All right. So yeah, my stack of that looks like that. Yeah, doing pretty good. I'm really happy. I'm getting this Ciate London powder done. The next update will be a finish. So that is Let's Get Loose. Everything will be down below if you want to join in. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Bye for now.